Let's learn this awesome word for the day is like. In Thai is chop. 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 Okay? Chop. It's a falling tone. Chop. It's like jumping off the bridge. Chop. Ah. You know what I'm saying? Chop. Falling tone. Okay? Chop. Okay? Now, that's like. How do you use that in a sentence? Well, let's do it. ผม or ฉัน means I. ผม for male. ฉัน means I. But for female, male and female can also use ฉัน. Don't matter. Okay? Or everyone can use ฉัน. Okay? I'll just say ฉัน ฉัน ชอบ ... ฉัน ชอบ What do you like? A mouse. ฉัน ชอบ หนู หนู mean a mouse. ฉัน ชอบ หนู How about Thai food? ฉัน ชอบ อาหารไทย ฉัน ชอบ อาหารไทย What else do you like? Like fruits. ฉัน ชอบ ผลไม้ ผลไม้ that's fruit. Okay? ชอบ Okay? I can keep going on for days, you know? The question is คุณชอบอะไร means what do you like? คุณ means you. ชอบ that's the word for the day. ชอบ คุณชอบ mean like. อะไร means what. What do you like? คุณชอบอะไร Okay? Mean what do you like? Now, you can say คุณชอบทำอะไร means what do you like to do? ทำอะไร Okay? Or you can say what do you like to eat? คุณชอบกินอะไร กินอะไร means what do you like to eat? Okay? Today I'm just going to give you a simple example of how to use a word like, ชอบ in a sentence that you can use right away. Very easy. Go back, watch it. If you don't understand, just write in a comment and I'll try to explain to you again. I think that's pretty easy to remember and learn. Anyway, ชอบ ชอบ Practice that. That's mean like. ชอบ Like jump off the bridge. ชอบ ชอบ Alright? Okay, my name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and I'll see you next time. Peace.